First time gagamit ng TBL Hub? Don't worry. Easy lang to. I'll show you the fastest way para hindi ka maligaw. Let's go!
Step 1. Access the official page. Go to tbl.umac.edu.ph. Bookmark nyo na to para diretso na agad next time. Pero if you want the ultimate hack, just click the University of Makati Google account button. Single sign in gamit ang UMAC school email. Pasok agad. And that's it. In the hub na tayo. No more incorrect password drama. Soar higher na agad.
Easy diba? Attention herons, if may trouble pa rin kayo, drop a comment below. I'll be reviewing your questions and will reply para matulungan kayo. Fly high, Yuma. Ayan, nakapasok ka na. Welcome to the heart of TBL Hub, ang ating dashboard. Dito natin malalaman kung chill lang ba tayo today o kailangan na nating lumipad ng mabilis.
Unang-una, aara muna tayo. Personalized ang bati sa inyo ni Hub, making you feel like the main character you are. Hi, Heron! Check your timeline. Dito nakalista ang mga tasks natin. Huwag matakot sa red labels. Reminder lang yan para hindi tayo maiwan sa ere. At para sa mga visual learners, may calendar tayo. See those dots? Those are your flight dates for assignments. No more, OMG, today na pala to, moments. Isang click lang, rekta ka na sa task. Everything is organized para ang focus mo na lang is ang pag-aaral at ang pag-soar higher.
Dashboard check. Done! Ready na ba kayo for the next step? Galingan natin, herons.
Okay, Herons, dashboard check is done. Pero nasaan ba yung mga subjects natin? Don't blink because this is episode 3, the course location.
Look up! Click nyo lang tong My Courses tab. This is your personal library. Dito nakatambay lahat ng subjects mo for the SEM. Look at those cards. Aesthetic, di ba? May kita nyo rito ang lahat. From tourism policy planning to strategic management. Isang scroll lang, kita mo na buong load mo. Too many subjects? No problem. Use the search bar or sort them by name. Organize like a pro para walang missing class drama. Pro tip, kung hindi nyo makita yung subject, check the filter. Baka nakaset sa past or future. Click nyo lang to and select in progress para sure na yung current classes ang lalabas. Once you find your class, just click the card. Rekta ka na sa internal syllabus, lessons, and assignments. Target lock na, Herons!
And that's how you find your mission. Attention herons, nakita niyo na ba lahat ng subjects niyo? Let's make sure complete ang inyong list.
Okay, Herons, hard work pays off. Tapos na ang task pero wag nating kalimutan ang most important part, ang submission. Let's turn that effort into grades.
Step 1. Open the assignment bin. Hanapin ang red icon na yan sa course page nyo at i-click para pumasok sa submission portal. Once inside, scroll down konti until you see the Add Submission button. Click it to proceed. Parang nag-a-attach lang tayo ng file sa email. Chill lang. Now, time to upload. Pwedeng i-drag and drop ang file nyo diretso sa box. Make sure correct file ang naselect nyo ha, wag yung memes nyo. Double check the file then hit Save Changes. This is it, Herons. Final stretch na tayo. And look at that! Submitted for grading in glorious green. Verified flight success. Sleep well tonight, Herons!
Mission accomplished. Attention, Herons, nakapag-submit na ba ang lahat? Share which subject ang pinaka-challenging sa inyo. I'll be checking and cheering you on.
Hi Herons! Oras na para i-test ang galing. Huwag kabahan sa quiz dahil sa TBL Hub, everything is under control. Episode 5, Quiz Mode activated. Hanapin lang ang quiz icon sa course page nyo. Click that link, and ito na ang moment of truth. Let's go! Before you start, check the rules. Meron tayong 20 minutes na time limit. So stay focused. Click attempt quiz pag ready na ang brain cells nyo. Final reminder pa, click start attempt and the timer will officially start ticking. Focus muna tayo ha. And look at the corner. Naka-monitor ang time left nyo para hindi kayo ma-overtime. Sagot lang ng sagot, then click next page para sa susunod na questions. Done with everything? Double check your answers, then hit submit all and finish. Congrats! Another task down ka na. Good luck sa inyong quizzes, Herons! Stay focused, stay confident, and keep flying high. Hi Herons! Akala nyo ba quizzes lang ang meron tayo? Sa TBL Hub, we also share ideas. Episode 6 na tayo, forum participation. Let's get that discussion started. Look for the forum icon, yung parang speech bubbles. Dito tayo nag-uusap-usap about our lessons. Click it to join the circle. Want to start a conversation? Just tap add a new discussion topic and give it a catchy subject para mapansin ng classmates at ni Prof. Dito sa message box, you can type your thoughts. Maging respectful at clear tayo ha. High quality ideas for high quality heroes. Once ready na, hit post to forum. Don't forget, you can also reply sa post ng iba to keep the learning alive. That's it for this guide, Herons. Keep learning and keep sharing.
Hi, Herons! Minsan ba kailangan natin mag-aral kahit walang signal? Don't worry. Episode 7 is here to show you how to download offline viewing. Hanapin lang ang mga PDF or PowerPoint icons sa course page nyo. Isang click lang sa file name and the magic will start. Depending sa browser nyo, pwedeng mag-open to sa bagong tab or diretso download na agad. Just look for that download arrow icon sa corner. Pro tip, mag-create kayo ng folders per subject para organize ang baon nating lessons. No more file, not found drama, pag exam week na. Now you have your materials. Anytime, anywhere. Ready to study even without data. Galing, di ba? Knowledge is power. Now it's in your pocket. Attention, Herons! Nakapag-download na ba kayo ng review materials for this week? Let me know if my file na ay open, and I'll help you out. Hi, Herons! Pagod na bang ay sa pagbabasa? Don't worry. Episode 8 is all about embedded videos. Para ka lang nanonood sa YouTube, pero educational version. Let's play it! Inside your course, look for the play button icon or video frame mismo. Hindi mo na kailangang lumabas ng TBL Hub para manood. Everything is right here.
Percent of everyday work tasks.
Just hit that play button sa gitna. Smooth playback para diretso ang learning. Make sure naka-on ang audio nyo ha. If gusto mo ng cinema feel, click the full screen icon. Mas malinaw, mas focus. Perfect for those technical tutorials or lectures ni Prof. Pro tip, if medyo slow ang internet, you can adjust the quality sa settings gear. No buffing, just learning. Galing, di ba?
Hi, Herons! May tanong ka ba kay prof or sa classmate pero ayaw mo i-post sa forum? Don't worry, we have a private messaging. Episode din na tayo, the safe space for your questions. Let's check it out.
Look at the top right. Tabihan lang ng notification bell ang ating message icon. Click it and a sidebar will pop up. Parang messenger lang, di ba? Gusto mong i-message si Prof? Just type the name sa search bar. Make sure tama ang spelling para diretsong flight ang message nyo. Type your message here. Reminder, maging polite at professional tayo sa DMs, ha? Herons are respectful after all. Once okay na, hit that send button. Ngayon, wait na lang tayo for the reply. Check the notification bell para malaman kung may message na pabalik sa'yo.
Connecting has never been this easy. Attention, Herons! Nasubukan niyo na ba mag-message kay prof using the Hub? I will be reviewing to see if may need pa kayo to help sa revisions. Hi, Herons! Tapos na ang pinatan at submissions. Ngayon, oras na para sa exciting part, ang grade viewing. Episode 10 na tayo. Let's see those results.
Inside your course, look for the grades tab sa top menu. Isang click lang yan to see the breakdown of your hard work. Dito sa user report, makikita nyo ang bawat activity, from quizzes to assignments. Check the grade column para sa scores nyo at huwag kalimutan ang feedback ni Prof. Scroll down to the bottom para sa course total. Dito nyo makikita ang overall performance nyo. Sana puro line of 9 tayo rin, Herons. Remember, these grades are reflection of your flight this sem. If may question kayo, you can always message your prof through the Hub like what we learned in episode 9.
Proud of your progress. Attention, Herons! Kamusta na ang grades niyo so far? I will be reviewing and will celebrate with you.